Hey guys, Preston here. I'm quite happy to be sharing with you guys. I get this question asked all the time about editing software or editing images for your business in a day-to-day basis. You might have to edit a flyer or change the pricing on something that you have digitally, especially considering how many things that we need to have printed and done with high resolution photography. What's a simple way of getting that done? All right, so there are two ways of going about it. Is either A, you can go ahead with something like Photoshop. It's a very reputable brand out there, and they have come down quite a bit, making it a lot more affordable for businesses, where you can pay for it just on a monthly basis. So for $69 a month, you can get this complete suite, or for just $29 a month US, you can actually go ahead and get access to Photoshop, whereas before you'd have to buy the program flat out for like $2,000. So I'm going to teach you a couple tricks today how you can get that all done for absolutely free. That's right, you can get a program that works almost exactly like Photoshop without some of the bells and whistles, but it's going to actually cost you nothing. Before I do that, let's jump right in. I'm going to show you guys where I find images from. Now, it's very important, like if you're going to be using images in your media or in your marketing, that you use images that are considered to be royalty free. All right, so that means you can't just go to Google and download an image, because that image could have some copyright on it and it could get you in some trouble. So there are a couple of sites out there, and I'll include a list of a couple other ones, but this is one of my favorite ones, Pixabay. You can go in here and type in just about any word that you're looking for, and I'm going to type in my favorite island, St. Lucia, and what will come up is a whole bunch of royalty free images about St. Lucia, and what's awesome about these, you can actually download all these images and use them in your for your marketing. All right, let's say you're running an ad about St. Lucia or somewhere beautiful. You can download one of these images and use them in the program. All right, so to get you started, I'm going to take you right over to the program right now. It's called pixlr.com editor. So you just type in this URL, and you'll come up to a page that looks like this. And when you get to this page, you can start off in different ways. You can either create a brand new image from scratch. You can pull an image from your computer. You can select an image URL. So if you have an image that's already online and you're just going to be editing it or changing it, you can actually just put in the URL right there. Or if you have an account with them, you can actually pull images from your Pixlr account that you've edited before. You can pull an image from your Facebook account or any other library that you have online. All right, so for this example, what we're going to do is we're just going to pull an image from my computer. And I'm going to pull up that image that I just showed you about St. Lucia that I just already went ahead and downloaded to my computer. All right, and I have it right here, the pitons. Okay, we're going to jump ahead and pull that image right in. Just simply hit to upload. And then it's going to take you to a page like that where you can actually see the image inside here. Now, it's funny, when you get inside here with a side, apart from this little advertising spot that's over here, this image looks a lot like what you'd see if you were inside of Photoshop. Okay, you got your image right here. You've got right over here that shows you the different layers, okay, of your image and your image that you're actually looking at, and all the features, the change that you want to do within it. Okay, so I'm going to show you just some of the most used ones, but as you can see, this is a pretty functional photo editor where you can actually do all the changes that you'd see in Photoshop. Okay, quite a lot of stuff you can play around with. Let's just go through some of these tools here, because these are the most common ones. So the first one is the crop tool, and if you hover right over it, it'll tell you what it does. This allows you to be able to crop the image. All right, if I click this and I select a certain area, what's going to happen once I hit enter, it's going to crop my image down to that size only. All right, so if you're already using a part of the image, that would be useful. This one over here allows you to move the image around. Okay, so we have nothing to move around right now, but if we did add something on here, we could definitely move that around. Then you have this one right here, which is a marquee tool. So it allows you to work on a particular area of your image. A lasso, it's like the marquee tool. Okay, I'll show you guys what the marquee tool does. You can select a part of the image that you want to do something unique to. Okay, like you want to put a paint, you want to crop it or mark it up. The marquee is like that tool, but it allows you to select your area in a freestyle type. Okay, so if you're not using an exact square, you can do that. It'll select that one little part of the image for you. Okay, and as you can see, there are lots of other simple ones. I would recommend just going through and playing around with each one of them to see what they do. You can select your colors from down here. It can take a pin drop and select any part of the screen. So you can just go right over here and select, what color you're looking for, and it'll give you exactly what that color tone is. It's good to know, the color code is also listed right over here for you. Okay, so totally can be done. A great tool to get you guys editing images and putting stuff online. And as you become creative with it, you can as you can tell, you can put you can do just about anything with your business, or in terms of marketing, and some great fonts. So I would like to say thanks for stopping for checking out the video. I hope this thing is helpful to you. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to put them in the comments below, or hit like or share it with a friend that could be having difficulty with their video editing as well. All right, take care. Bye.